Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Ever wondered how to make your operations and maintenance teams more successful by using the latest developments in sensor technology? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into a range of sensors that can help you monitor and optimize every corner of your facilities. We'll be unpacking how these sensors are creating value in the Internet of Things world, estimated to be worth at least $3.9 trillion. So stay tuned as we explore temperature, humidity, water, security, gas, electrical, light, and vibration sensors. Let's get started. Have you ever wished you had eyes in the back of your head? If so, you'll love the latest developments in sensor technology that allow you to monitor every corner of your facility. There are dozens of sensors available to track and report on critical aspects of your operations, and more are being developed each day. A report by McKinsey estimates that there's a minimum of $3.9 trillion of value waiting to be realized in Internet of Things related efficiency and productivity improvements in factories alone. Sensors play a significant role in these IoT developments. Let's dive into the top categories of sensors. First up, we have temperature sensors. These are perfect if you want to track the ambient temperature around a particular piece of equipment. Whether you need a hardwired option or require regular probe readings, wireless temperature sensors can record and send you readings at regular intervals. Next, we have humidity sensors. We all know how much humidity can affect our comfort levels. But did you know that some sensitive equipment must stay within certain humidity ranges to operate at peak efficiency? Sensors can measure relative humidity or even the actual weight of water in the air. Automated calibration delivers absolute humidity at certain temperatures and can alert maintenance teams when readings fall out of range. Water sensors are another common type. These sensors help detect unwanted liquids in places around sensitive equipment, in plumbing systems, or in flood-prone areas. They can also alert you to a lack of water or liquid in particular containers that require immediate refilling. Security sensors are perhaps the most well-known. These sensors can detect motion, the status of windows and doors, and the location of valuable tools or equipment. Gas sensors are also crucial. If you need to monitor the presence or absence of a particular type of gas, these sensors can help. Carbon monoxide detectors are a popular consumer example, setting off an alarm when this poisonous gas is present. In a factory, Colorado CO2, particulate matter, and H2S can all be monitored with sensors. Last but not least, we have electrical, light, and vibration sensors. These sensors can be critical to measuring contact between wires as well as voltage and currents. They can also monitor the intensity or even presence of light, as well as the level of vibration on a particular piece of sensitive equipment. In conclusion, sensor technology is advancing rapidly, providing maintenance and operations teams with invaluable tools to monitor, track, and optimize their operations. Whether it's temperature, humidity, water, security, gas, or electrical, light, and vibration sensors, there's a sensor out there that can help your team be more successful. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the latest developments in sensor technology to how they can help your operations and maintenance teams be more successful. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the future of operations and maintenance is in your hands, and we're here to help. Until next time, keep innovating.